Here we come to another set of elevators in the newer part of the building at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. These are ThyssenKrupp Synergy elevators, and one is already here. We'll take this one right here, and this one's got a rear door. Glad I'm finally able to get an overdue retake on this. All right, let's go on to one. We're gonna get the other elevator car. Say hi to Mr. Security. These are your fixtures. There's no foam. The foam's like right there, which is ADA compliant. I'm gonna send this up, and then we're gonna get the other elevator car. There's the freight elevator right there. We'll ride that in a separate video. And it's finally here. This one doesn't have a rear door. These two don't work. This one does not chime. No phone. Listen to the brakes. These are ThyssenKrupp Synergy MRL. Mr. Security. I'm thankful this isn't as busy like I expected to be. These are your ThyssenKrupp Halo MAD vandal-resistant fixtures. I'm gonna ring the bell. There it goes. And that's it.